How to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 and 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 and 11. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step 1, a method 1, that is to restart your PC. So here, restarting Windows can clear RAM cache, temporary system memory, background processes as well. So to do that, simply click on the Start menu, and now here from the pop-up menu, simply click on the power icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, simply click on Restart to restart your PC. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to clear RAM cache using the Task Manager. So this method is useful if apps are using too much memory. So here to do that, simply type or press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. And now here, once you are inside the Task Manager, then what you can do is simply click on the processes, and here you can simply look for the apps with high memory uses. And here, once you've found that, you can simply select the app, or you can simply right click on it, and now here from the pop-up menu you can simply click on End Task, and this will free the RAM immediately. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the standby memory. So here, if your RAM stays full due to standby cache, then what you can do is simply use the RAM Map app. It's a Microsoft tools. So here, what you can do is simply go to the Microsoft Store, and there you can simply search for the RAM Map and simply install it on your Windows. So here, I didn't find the RAM map option. Then here, if you didn't found that, then what you can do is you can simply go to the any web browser, and there you can simply search RAM map download and simply download it from the browser. And once you have downloaded, simply run it as an administrator and go to the empty menu section. And there you can simply select empty standby list, and this will instantly free standby memory. And with that, moving forward to the method 4, that is to disable startup apps. So here what you can do is simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. And now here, once you are inside the Task Manager, simply look for the Startup Apps option, which can be seen in the left hand side of the screen. And now here in this section, you can simply go to the Startup Apps and disable the apps that you don't need as a startup. And that's it. These are some ways to clear the RAM cache on Windows 10 and 11. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.